Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint your nails with gel polish without going to a salon, especially in today's situation. A little disclaimer though, I'm not a pro nail tech, I'm just here to show you my experience on DIY manicure. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get started. I already prepped my nails, so now what I usually do is I will cleanse my nails with a cotton and alcohol just to get rid of the oil on my natural nails, and it's easier for the gel polish to adhere to your nails and the manicure will last longer. Then I'm going to apply gel base coat and cure. Don't worry if you feel that your base coat is sticky. This is normal and it's easier for the gel color to stick on your nails. Next, I paint my nails with this red color and avoid the cuticles and nail edges. Most colors need 2 to 3 coats, but for this one, I only use 2 coats. If you do get any gel polish on your skin or cuticle, make sure to remove it before curing. Otherwise, it is very difficult to remove. Don't worry, as long as you remove it before curing, it's pretty easy. Cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp or for 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Cap the free edge by painting the tip of the nail with the gel polish. Paint the nails with gel top coat. And remember to cap the free edge with the top coat. Cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp or for 2 minutes in a UV lamp. If you use a normal gel top coat, you will need to remove the sticky layers on your nails with alcohol wipes. If you use a non-wipe top coat, you can skip this step. And lastly, apply a cuticle oil. I made this cuticle oil myself with jojoba oil and vitamin E oil. And it's done! It's very easy to do this at the comfort of your own home, while you're watching your favorite show or simply listen to your favorite music while painting your nails. Also, your manicure will last longer than regular polish. So now let's talk about gel polish and how to know the difference. If you notice, all the gel polish bottle is not transparent because these type of bottles protect the gel polish from the lights, like the sun, or if you put it near your UV lights while you're painting your nails. Unlike regular polish, you can see that their bottle is transparent and you can see the colors. You can see the colors on a gel polish bottle too, like this one. If you see a brand says it's gel but the bottles look like a regular polish bottle, then it's not a gel polish. Just remember, this is gel and this is normal polish. And gel polish needs UV light like this one. So this is mine. I got it very cheap. If you would like to have one of these, I'll put the link down below in the description box so you can purchase it too. So there's 2 types of UV lights. There's UV LED light, like mine, and the other one is UV lamp. So this is how a UV LED light looks like on the inside, and the other one uses bulb, which I don't have any to show you. And remember, if you ever buy a gel polish, you definitely need this UV light. So I hope you learned something from me, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to know how to get all this product, I will put all in the description box. I will show you how I remove this gel polish on my next video, so don't forget to ring that notification bell to keep you updated. That's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.